really good. I mean, the timing was good. They actually were, when they were doing the windows, it started to rain at the end and they were able to finish on time, got everything right. They were clean, they picked up after themselves, and you know, they just got it done. They are extremely great. You know, I know the electric bill hasn't, it'll go down soon, but I know it's a lot less. The house temperature, if you actually turn off the air, it takes quite a few hours for it to go up 5 degrees. I think I called Paradise twice and I got a quick response from the team. Overall experience was great.